Let's isolate the red dress from the rest of the image. Start by creating a channel mixer adjustment layer. Next, check the monochrome box. Change the blending mode from normal to darker color. This will start to desaturate most of the image, but we want only the red dress to remain in color. Now, fine-tune the green and blue sliders until the background becomes completely black and white, leaving just the red dress visible. If any unwanted areas are still showing color, select the brush tool, make sure you're working on the channel mixer layer, and gently erase those areas. Be sure to set the brush hardness to 0 for a smooth, natural blend. Once that's done, you can touch up any missed spots. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.